Hey guys, and welcome back, and today we're going to be talking about composite functions. This here, what you see on the screen, is a composite function, and what that is basically is we've got g of x, and whatever we get for g of x is going to be the input for f of x. This here is another way to write that. Now let's try and solve this composite function when these two things here are true. First we need to figure out what g of x is, so let's put an input of 5. That's going to be 5 minus 8. And that is equal to minus 3. Now minus 3 is what we're going to put into f of x, and minus 3 squared is 9. So when our input is 5, our output is going to be 9 for this composite function. Now let's try and write out this composite function. We're going to have x minus 8, and whatever the answer to that is going to be squared. So we're going to have this composite function be equal to x minus 8 squared. Now sometimes you're going to have domain restrictions. Say for instance, f of x was x minus 8 and g of x was 1 over x. And you cannot divide by 0, so x cannot be equal to 0. Now let's say these two things were flipped and f of x was 1 over x. If we plugged in 0, we would get 0 minus 8, which is minus 8, and then 1 over minus 8, which you can do. This time, the domain would be restricted by being not allowed to use 8, because 8 minus 8 is 0, and then that would be 1 over 0. I hope this lesson helped, and good luck.